Making blueberry pancakes, for which I'm taking almond flour. तो क्या चिकन काट के क्या बनाएंगी? ठीक है, ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़। Lately, I have been thinking what a gentle life looks like, and for me, a gentle life apart from home. Also, letting myself move throughout the world and see different places, countries, enjoying the small moments, food that you eat, rest that you take at your home, and small moments, they all make me feel held. Like I feel at peace and I feel rested, and this is how gentle and quiet life looks like for me. But I don't want my life to look static. I want to have movement that is a part of life with a purpose. So for that reason, I'm going out today. I'm going to see Hallstatt. It's one of the prettiest villages in Europe, and this is a part of the rest that I am taking, and it's a part of the comfort that I feel and that I believe in. Start from home, but also includes movement. I'm taking this train 6:04 that goes to Hallstatt, but I will get off at Orbiteron. So I'm all set for my journey to Hallstatt, even though it's very, very cold, but I'm very excited. It's nighttime, but I will settle in the hotel, and tomorrow my journey to Hallstatt will start. I will explore that village. There was a spark on the cable of that train, but it still continued. That's strange. So I have arrived at the Orbitron station, and now I'm taking a taxi, but I wanted to show you how quiet, dark it is at 6 p.m. Obviously because it's winter time, but look at that. Look, it's all dark and quiet. People have left, and it's a small town, not town, it's a small village, and I'm going to take a taxi to my accommodation. I have called the taxi driver, and the taxi is coming. This is their taxi spot. This is their taxi spot that you see at my back. So yeah, it's quite convenient. It was easy. I just called them and they said I'm coming, and I think the driver is on his way. If you see, yeah, they are here. Thank you very much. So I am on my way to the accommodation. Entering the address, and it will take only 4 minutes from the station.
Bahnhofstraße nach Nordosten Richtung Seestraße starten, dann rechts.
These were the stairs, so narrow, of this place. And this is the apartment. It's a cute little apartment. This is the living area, and this is the kitchenette. Hello everybody, good morning. This is the view from the balcony. Look at this. Right now I am in Hallstatt. It's a World Heritage Site and it has such a spectacular view. I am standing right beside this lake that I will show you, and the houses are right between the lake and the mountains here. I am standing by the lake. The walk is absolutely beautiful by the pastel houses. This is a very small village, almost less than 800 people live here. Standing by the lake, and this lake connects Obertron and Hallstatt village, and this was the lake that connected both villages before road existed. And as you start walking by the lake, the noise disappears and it's very calm, that you can see all the mountains and hear the water running under the mountains, and sometimes you just lost in the words because this is so serene and calm and peaceful. Like right now I'm talking and I'm losing my thoughts because this is so peaceful. Hallstatt is also famous for salt mines. It was salt that made Hallstatt rich and wealthy. Salt was also known as white gold back in the days. So now I'm going up to the church. Mostly houses are in pastel colors like yellow, pink and peach and green, light green. This is the cemetery, and from here there are views of the village, the mountains and the lake. This village is very small. There was a time when there was no space to do the burials. They used to exhume the bones of the dead people and preserve the skulls. Even you see here, the graves are very, very small. So this is the postcard picture that everyone takes, and obviously I'm going to take one as well. This is a beautiful view of the village. View from the top of the staircase. This was the walk in the Hallstatt town, and did you notice that the houses are so close to each other because this is a very small village. It's in fact one of the oldest villages in Europe, and people have been living here for more than 7,000 years. It's so old. That's why it's one of the UNESCO's heritage site. And houses are so close. They are built by the mountain in vertical, and on the one side it's lake, and on the other side the whole life runs. And it's amazing how beautifully everything is built close to each other. People are living here like normal life.
Bitte schön. Thank you very much.
I'm home now. I made carrots, leeks and beetroot juice, and now I am just having leftovers. I made rice with potato and chicken, so I will have this as my dinner. Later I'm going to make chicken patties, and I'm very hungry. I went to Hallstatt and it was so beautiful. It reminded me that life is not just about 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. It reminded me that this is the kind of life that I want. I want the comfort that you get from home, the recovery from food, and then inspiration and energy from outside world, whether it's your outdoor neighborhood or a grocery shop or another country. Anywhere that you go and you come back full of energy, inspiration. Home is the place where I recover, and food gives me that strength. And outdoor movement, they remind me life is still unfolding. It's bigger than we imagine. This vlog was all about restful moments at home and inspiration from outside world. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I will see you in my next vlog.